How to use Canva Text to Image free AI tool. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use the new AI, that is Canva's new AI, where you can just change your text into images. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is head over to your canva.com. Make sure that you log in into your account, and after you do that, all you then have to do is head over to Canva AI. Now you can go there from here, or you can simply head over to Canva AI from your left bar here. So let's head over to it from here, and after you tap on Canva AI, all you then have to do is describe your idea. So if you want, just you can describe whatever you want. So let's say an image describing a banana, and if you hit enter, it should start giving you an image. So if you scroll down, there you will see an image describing a banana. So here you can just let it load, and there you go, you have an image of banana. Now let's just add more stuff. A banana with a hat, and if you hit enter, it'll just give you another picture. So now this picture generation might take some time depending on your internet speed and also depending on your device. So just wait for it and it should give you the image really soon. Now you can even edit the images here. And yeah, that's basically how you use Canva's text to AI image generator. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye. Take care.